episode of Fridaypoems. Which we air every Friday. The poems by Indian writers in English. We have had 7 episodes so far. In this poet Relax and Nadina Das was included. Now it is the turn of a new poet, Mallikabhaumik. Bhaumik has a master's degree in English literature from the University of Kolkata. Her short stories, articles, travelogues, poems have been published in various e-mags and journals like this is Great Spiral Journal, Harbinger Asylum, Short Class Journal, etc. She received the Rural International Prize for her debut poetry book, Echoes, which was published by Authors Trust, New Delhi in 2014. Her second book of poems, How Not to Remember, was published by Havada Publications in 2019. Her poems have been included in the postgraduate syllabus English department by BDMK University, Bangkok. So she is a very well-known writer. She lives and writes in Kolkata, India. Mallika Bhaumik will start with her first poem, which is titled Summer Days. So over to Mallika Bhaumik.
Hello, this is Mallika, and today I'll read out my poem, Summer Days, for you. My memory of summer is the resting of the sun-scorched Purani Delhi on a charpoy, the open mouth of night, breathing out loo-whipped air as bubbles of dreams, the lazed eyelids, thinking of what would have been had we been lovers, a fancied intimacy, often envying the cooing sound from pigeonholes during noons, slowness swept. The vagueness of love runs down the steps of a Bauli. We could have been born sometime in future, time yet to be born to us. Then the red of gulmohars, the wafting smell of mangoes, the chirping of sparrows would be gift wraps we gently open, first time wonders. Our touch too, spiraling in time, sliding down the landscape of bodies, as sleeping buds bloom, the imagined memory of which I carefully preserve in lid-closed pickle jars. Thank you.